Okay, so we will finish 1.8 today, which is the order of operations. And that will conclude chapter 1. Now, I know on your portfolio, on the previous ones, maybe 1.1 till 1.7, probably there's not too much steps. However, when we start the order of operations, there will be some steps. Yeah, so you should expect your portfolio to be longer. Now, some people have asked me, what goes on the portfolio? What goes on the portfolio actually? Which one? Is just the answer? No, the steps. Yeah. Now, on the previous few sections, the steps are very short. For example, evaluate x divided by y, and x is 20 and y is 5. So what's your answer? 4. So that one, you don't have to write down the steps, but I guess for the order of operations, we will need to write down the steps. Does that make sense? Not just the answers. Yeah? Okay. So let's start. This is section 1.8. And when's our test? Tuesday. So what I'd like you to do is print the sample test. Do you know how to get it? I didn't show you? Okay, it's on my website or it's on my Math Excel. I posted on the announcement. I never show you. So the sample test is, let me share my desktop first. So the sample test is in my website. Oh, I'm trying to get to the sample test. Oh, here. Math Excel. Where is my tab here? I want to write something. Where's my tab? mathexcel.com or myonlinemath.com and /M115. So myonlinemath.com and then /M115. This link is also posted on Math Excel. So you'll see this. This is Math 115 Elementary Algebra, and your sample test is right here. Okay?
I can't make something today because I feel nauseous and it's going up. And I was in the
okay. We're doing 1.8 today, so later on this week the lecture will be posted on the link. You know how to get it, right? Yeah, so you can review it. Tuesday we will have a test, chapter 1.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Miriam.
Miriam Robles? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Get well soon. Yeah. So chapter 1 sample test is, it looks like this. Yeah. And I told you the section, so you could review. And this is a lot of order of operation, so order of operation is very important. Yeah. I think you can, you don't have to do number 18, this one, the average. Yeah, so cross out number 18 and etc. So it looks like this. Yeah, and at the end it has the answers. Yeah. So what I'd like you to do is to print this out, or if you have a tablet or a phone, you have to have access to this so that you can work on it. Yeah. So your SI coach Desiree will probably can help you with some of these problems, and she probably come up with a problem that are similar to the sample test. All right. But it will not be discussed in class. We could discuss 20 minutes on Monday about the sample test. So you can't expect that we will discuss each one of the problem in class. Does that make sense? So if you have questions for the sample test, we will do it 20 minutes on Monday. Yeah. But your SI coach Desiree will discuss it during your during the SI hours, which is next after class, 10:30 to 12:30 in library 224. And how about Friday?
There's right here at 12 to 3 apart. I'm trying to get a 9 to 12.
Oh, okay. So we don't have a room yet for Friday.
Well, no, I was going to be 12 to 3.
Okay. But 12 to 3, can anybody come? Who who wants to come 12 to 3 on Friday? Yeah, but we have to let them know today because we don't see them. Tomorrow is Friday. Um, let's see. I think there's nobody in C2 120 behind my office. C2 123A. The thing is, you have to have a key to open. Yeah. So how would you do it? We will do it 9 to 12, and then you will post the rooms here, or okay. So so it's who can come Fridays 9 to 12? Because I think more people will come on Friday 9 to 12. Can you guys raise your hand so I could so if Desiree has it Fridays 9 to 12, you can come. Can you guys raise your hand? Oh, okay. So probably we have to do it 9 to 12, not 12 to 3. Yeah. So so we don't know the room assignments yet. Okay. But when will you email it to me? Yeah, a lot of classrooms are empty. So C2123A. So my office, behind it there's a classroom. I don't think anybody is there in the morning. Yeah, so C2123A. It's just that you have to have a key to open it. Okay, or the math department office. Yeah, okay. So why don't we have the SI session in C2123A. All right, let me write down. So if I'm not mistaken, it's empty. So that we will check. Yeah. So Friday SI session. So possible route is C2123A. Okay. Now, just in case it's not possible, then there are C2127A or C2127B. You could try these for C or D. C or D. Okay. But as of right now, this is the route. So let's see. Yeah, if it's available or not. So if you guys cannot find Desiree there on Friday 9 to 12, then yeah, she will leave a sign. So maybe you have to bring a tape or something, put on the door. Yeah, PC127A, 127BC. I'm very sure one of them will be in. Okay, with that you need a key to unlock the door, open the door. Yeah. All right. So now the Friday session, as far as I know, is more relaxed. So you can do your homework there, yeah. And how many people have laptops? Okay, so you could bring your laptops and do your homework during Friday session and ask questions, yeah. Now, if you don't have a laptop, you can rent from ASU, and it's free. So you can rent laptop from ASU office as long as you are an ASU member. I think to be a member it is what, $3 or $7? $7. So rent laptop from ASU as long as you are an ASU member, you can do it. Yes. So if you pay parking, or then you're automatically an ASU member, right? Yeah. Yes. So if you have a parking, then automatically you're an ASU member. Okay. So that's another option. If you don't have a parking and you haven't paid for ASU membership, it's $7. Does everybody have to become an ASU member? That's what I don't know. Is it? No. Yeah, but $7 is cheap. You have more benefits. Yeah. Yes. So it's better. Yeah. You can rent laptops. They have a lot of laptops, maybe 20. to rent for students. All right. What else? During regular session, no, you cannot do homework. But on Friday specifically, I was told that yes, you can do homework. Yeah, and and she will discuss the sample test as well. So, have people been coming to your session at all?
Yeah.
Oh, like how many people? Oh, okay. So that's really a good turnout. Okay, okay. So that's a really good turnout. Yeah, yeah. So good. I'm glad. So last semester, not really, but I'm glad this semester it worked out. So any questions about the sample test? Does everybody know where to find it? Yes. So tomorrow, Friday SI session. Any question on Friday SI session? Do you have to come 3 hours? No, you don't. You can stay for 1 hour. And they said that they even let you eat. Yeah. The key thing is you don't bother other people. So don't make a lot of noise. Yeah, so that's the key. If people want to study, they come to SI, they want to study. Yeah. That's it. No more questions? Everything's clear. When's our test? Okay. All right. So good. Yeah. And we will, if you still have questions, the last 20 minutes of class on Monday, you can ask questions. Yeah. But who knows, Desiree goes over them and then you guys don't have questions, then we don't have to discuss it either. Okay? Now, can you use calculator for the test? Not for chapter 1. But chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. Not for chapter 1. No calculator for chapter 1. Yes? Okay. Now, let's start. Let's do the order of operations. This is the most important section of chapter 1. So if you see on your sample test, you will have a lot of order of operations. Maybe 5, 6, 7, I don't remember. Yeah. But let's start. Now, 1.8 is the order of operations. Okay. So order of operations. Let's see. Have you heard of it? Yes. What is the order of operations? It just tells you which one you need to do first, right? Okay. So we have what is called PEMDAS. And before that, let me discuss square roots and square. Yeah. So let's do PEMDAS first. So PEMDAS, but the way we will write PEMDAS is like this. So P is parentheses, E is exponents, MD is multiplication division, and AS is addition, subtraction. Okay. So if two operations are the same order, then we do it from left to right. Yeah. So if two operations have the same order, we perform the operation from left to right. So left to right. Okay, so multiplication and division, which one first? Well, it depends. It goes from the left to right. Yeah. Addition and subtraction, which one first if you have both? Well, it depends which one is on the left. Okay? All right. So for example, simplify. Number 1. 2 plus -7 times 3. So this is the easiest one. And then number 2, we have 28 minus 36 divided by 9 times negative 5. Alright, so let's do this one first. So number 1, what operations do we have here? Addition and multiplication. So which one has a higher order? Multiplication. So we will do this one first, right? So this is 2 plus, copy. What is negative 7 times 3? Negative 21. Yes. Good. So we copy the 2 plus because we do it last. So what is 2 plus negative 21? Negative 19. Yes. So if you have a portfolio, all of these goes to your portfolio, not just the answer. Yeah. Okay. Let's do number 2, and then I will give you a lot more problems for you to do. Okay. Now let's see, what operation do we have here? Subtraction. What else? Division. Multiplication. So which one should we do first? Subtraction first? No, that's last. Division first or multiplication first? So multiplication and division, which one has the higher order? Same order. So these two are the same. Multiplication and division, they have the same order. So if it's the same order, then what happens? From left to right. Yeah, so which one is the left? Division. So we do division first. Yeah, so multiplication doesn't have a higher order. It's the same order as division. So it's from left to right. So we just wrote these here, have the same order. So it's from left to right. So let's copy the other one, but we will do the division. So 28 minus, what is 36 divided by 9? 4 times negative 5. Okay. Now, which one do we do next? Multiplication. So this is 28 minus, what is 4 times negative 5? Negative 20. Yes. So 28 minus is copied. What is 28? What is this? Minus negative 20. What is minus negative 20? Plus 20. So 28 plus 20 is 48. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So now, the other thing that I want to go over is a little bit of exponents. So we will write exponents first. What is negative 2 squared? What is negative 5 squared? What is negative 3 over 4 squared? And what is negative 7 squared? So let's look at each of these. Yeah. All right. Now look at number 1, negative 2 squared. Okay. So let's use a star here. Negative 2 squared. Which one is being squared? Negative 2. So what is negative 2 squared? 4. So negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Yeah, positive 4. Now look at this. This is negative 5 squared. So which one is being squared? Only the 5, not the negative. So this is negative 5 times 5. Right? The square applies first to the 5. So this is equal to negative 25. Alright. Good. What is negative 3 over 4 squared? Positive or negative? Positive, yes. This is negative 3 over 4 multiplied by negative 3 over 4. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9 over 6, 16. Positive. Yeah. Good. And the last one? 49 negative or positive? Negative. Why is it negative? Because the square only applies to the 7. But what happens to the negative? So we just copy it. Negative 7 times 7. So this is negative 49. Yeah, so only the 7 is repeated. So now can you tell the difference if we have parentheses or not? Yeah. So the parentheses has to be done first, right? So the 2, the square applies to both negative and the 2. But here the square is applied to 5 only. So repeated multiplication, 5 only. Yeah. Now square root. Okay. Square root. Now let me ask you, what is square root of 4? 2. Why? Because 2 squared is 4. What is square root of 81? 9. Why? Because 9 squared is 81. So can you tell me other perfect squares? Square root of what? 49? 7. Square root of 25? 5. Square root of 36? 6, etc. Yeah? Okay, so you remember square root of a perfect square. Alright, good. Now let's write down more problems for you to do. So for more examples, simplify. Okay, let me get the book. So anyway, 1.8 is the most important one. Yeah. All right. Let's see. All right. What about if we have number 1? This is using distributive law, or let's do the order of operation. 7 minus 2 times 5 plus 9. Number 2. 6 minus 18 divided by 3 plus 2. Number 3. 3 times negative 10 squared minus 8 divided by 2 squared. Number 4. 8 minus 3 times 7 minus 9. Number 5. 3 plus 5 times 2 minus 6 squared. Number 6. 7 plus 2 over 5 squared minus 4 squared. Okay, so let's try these 6 problems first. Do you want to try it? Yeah. So you will try it, right? Okay. Good. Or should we do a few? Yeah. What number are you talking about? Number one? Number one, you have to do the innermost parentheses first, right? And then the negative is at the end. So you have to simplify these as much as possible, then at the end, you subtract, yes. Okay. Daisy is here. James. Jennifer. Andrea. Zach. Guadalupe. Ray. Manuela. Nicholas. Martin Espinosa. Sergio. Celine. Dominic. Maribel. Sylvester. Henry. Cecilia. Esmeralda. Jasmine Lopez. Okay. Noemi. Estefani. Jennifer Munoz. All right. Lily Ornelas. Georgia Ortiz. Julio. Caesar. Melvin. Destiny. Jennifer Reyes. Okay. Miriam. She's sick. Hema. Absent. Hugo. You're late, right? Clarissa. Okay. Lily Sanchez. Renee. Jamie here. Javier. Myra. Adriana. Okay. All right, good. So work on it. So don't wait for me. You have to try it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to check. Yeah. What happened to you? Are you not going to work on it? Oh, you finished? Everything? Okay. Thank you. Are you done? Can you compare? So if you need help, you can call me if I'm walking around. Okay, where's your stuff? So it has to be equal sign, equal sign, equal sign. Equal. Okay, that's fine. Equal. So what else is that? Are you
Can we compare it? Yes. Are you right now? Okay.
Okay, 2 minutes, and then we will discuss it. Yeah, don't fight with your neighbor, okay?
Just compare, but don't fight.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's start. I think everybody's done. Yes? All right, let's start. Number 1, what do we do first? Parentheses. So I'm going to copy the 7. Which one on the parentheses? Times. So just say you know, oh, this is 19, so you can write 19 directly. So I'm not saying, oh, I really want you to do it step by step. No. But if you know this is 19, then you can do 19 directly. But we could do this also. What is 2 times 5? 10 plus 9. Okay, but if you know this is 19, then you can write 19 directly. There's no problem with that. 7 minus 10 plus 9, which is 19. What is 7 minus 19? Negative 12. Finish. Yes?
I have a question. So let's say it was negative 2 times 5 will be negative 10.
Yes.
9.
Which is?
Or let's say that the end result is negative, so we'll have to leave it in the parentheses.
Yes.
7 minus parentheses negative that number.
Yeah. So this one, 19, I could put it in the parentheses, but the parentheses is useless, right? That's why we did it. But if you put it, is that wrong? No. Yes. So, but if the parentheses here is useless, it's only one number, so that's why we didn't put it. But yes, we can put it. It's not wrong. Yeah. Good. Now, number 2. Which one do we do first? Division? So this one? Okay, so I'm copying the other one, right? So 6 and then plus 2, and I'm only going to do the division. What is 18 divided by 3? 6. Good. Now 6 minus 6 plus 2? 2. Finish. Yeah, or you can write 0 plus 2 equals to 2. That's optional. All right. Now number 3, which one do we do first? Exponent. So copy the other one. So 3 minus 8 divided by, now we're only doing the exponent. What is negative 10 squared? Positive 100. So do I do it like this, or what am I supposed to do with my 100? Parentheses? Yes, it's multiply. How about these 2 squared? 4. All right. Good. No, it's positive 100. Can somebody answer why this is positive 100? Because look at these. Yes, negative 10 squared. This is negative 10 multiplied by negative 10, which is 100. So the square applies to both the negative and the 10. Yes. If I have negative 10 squared, be careful. What is this negative 10 squared? the square applies to which one? To 10 only. So negative 10 times 10, which is 100 and negative. So there is a difference between these two. Pay attention. Yeah. The square here applies to both negative and the 10. Square, remember, square is multiplying twice. But if I have negative 10 squared, the square only is applied to 10. So negative 10 times 10. What I multiply twice is only the 10. Okay? Okay. Good. What next? Multiplication and division. You could do them on the same one. Yeah. 3 times 100. 300 minus 2, which is 298. Finish. Is it easy? Yes. Next. Which one do we do first? Parentheses. So this is 5 times negative 2, which is negative 10. Finish. Yeah. Next. Which one first? Which one first? Parentheses first. So copy everything. So what is 2 minus 6? Negative 4 squared. Now which one? The square. So copy all the other one. We will just do the square. What is negative 4 squared? Positive 16. What do I do with my 16? Parentheses. So multiply. Yes. Good. Now what? We multiply first. Okay. So 3 plus 5 times 16. What is it? 80. So 3 plus 80, 83. Done. Questions? Clarify anything? No? Okay, next one. Well, this one we have to do the top by itself and the bottom by itself. So on top, I could just add them. How about the bottom? The square. So 5 square, 25. 4 square, 16. So this is 9 divided by 9, which is 1. That. Yeah? Okay? So do a little bit more difficult now? Longer? Yeah? Alright. So next. Questions? Good? Okay. Now, number 7. So I'm going to do the next page. So 7. A little bit longer. Okay. 2 to the 4 plus 2 cubed minus 10 divided by negative 1 cubed. Number 8. 8 times negative 7 plus absolute value of 3 times negative 5. Number 9. 36 divided by negative 2 squared plus 4 times 5 minus 3, 8 minus 9 to the 5th. Square bracket. Number 10. Negative 48 divided by 7 minus 9 cubed minus 2 times 1 minus 5, 2 minus 6, plus 3 squared. Number 11. Negative 3 cubed minus 2 times negative 3 squared divided by A divided by 2 squared minus 6 minus absolute value of 2 minus 15. Absolute value first. Alright, so let's try this. So you guys try it first. Okay. This is not difficult, but a little longer. So you're going to complete homework by Saturday, right? Which one did I ask you to? 1-1 to 1-4? Yeah. But the 1-5 to 1-8, when will they be due? Sunday. Yeah. But 1-1 to 1-4, you should do it by Saturday. Okay? I know it's already due, but I mean, in order to stay in the class. Yeah. Is Noemi here? Oh, okay. All right. Oh, thank you. Melvin, were you here yesterday? Okay. Is Hannah here? I think she's absent today. Hugo, were you absent on Tuesday? Yeah. No, last Thursday? Or no, Tuesday, right? I think you were absent once, right? Yeah. Yeah. Are you guys done? No? Okay. Yeah, this is a little bit longer. Yes. Oh, B2 101? Oh, okay. So forget about C2 then. B2 101. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you. So near Adelante then, right? This is A. That's near Adelante. Okay. Yeah, same time, 9 to 12. So B2 101. I think that room is not long. I hope not. Yeah. Okay, don't take too long. 2 more minutes, and then we will discuss it. Yeah. Which one's hard? Which one are you working on? 7 done? 8? How about 8? 10? That's the longer one, isn't it? And 11. Okay, so let's just do it. Yeah. Now, everybody should finish at least their homework 1.1 to 1.4 on Saturday. But it was already due, right? Yesterday. But you can still open it with the deduction. Yeah, the 10%. Yes. Those are optional. Those are sample tests. The test in Math Excel, the practice test, what I did was I look at my sample test, and then based on my sample test, I make an online practice test. But either you do it or not, it will not affect the grade. So if you have time to practice online, that would be better. Because it's the printed test that I have, I took that and then I tried to find an online version of it. So I chose problems that are very similar so you can practice online. But those are not graded, it's optional. Yeah. Even doing your sample test is actually optional, but why wouldn't you do it? Because it's a sample, I mean, it looks like the actual test. Good question. Yes? Good. Now, let's do number 7. What's the answer for number 7? What's the answer for number 7? 30 what? 34? Did you guys get 34? Should we do it? Okay. Let's see. So let's see which one first. I guess the exponent first, right? Let's copy the other one then. The plus, I will copy the negative one, and these we will copy. So we will do all the exponents. 2 to the 4th, 16. 2 cubed, 8. Negative 1 cubed. What is negative 1 cubed? Yes, negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1, that is still negative 1. Now, what operations now? Division, yes. So I'm copying the other one, 16 plus 8. Now I have negative 10 divided by negative, oh, this is minus, right? What is 10 divided by negative 1? Or you could change it to plus later on. What is negative 10 divided by negative 1? Positive 10, so this is a plus 10. All right. So what is 16 plus 8 plus 10? 34. Yes. Yes, you're right. 34. Good. Now, what about number 8? What is the answer? 21? Is it? I don't know either. I didn't do it. Yeah. So let's do it now. Now, let's see. Oh, this is parentheses. This is multiplication. So you want to do the plus later, right? The addition and subtraction is low order. So we always do them later. So we could do this multiplication. What is this multiplication? Negative 56, you're right. Now, this is absolute value. And then what is 3 times negative 5? Negative 15. Okay. So now, let's evaluate the absolute value. What is the absolute value of negative 15? Positive 15? Okay. So negative 56 plus 15? Negative 41? Yeah. So yes, you're right. Negative 41. Good. Easy? Okay, next. Ooh. Okay, a lot of things going on here, but anyhow, we know this is later. We know this is later because this is division, this is exponent, so we could do the exponent. Now, let's see which one of these goes first. The parentheses. Okay, so copy the other one, except for this one, right? The parentheses. So what is 8 minus 9? Negative 1 raised to the 5th. Okay. So this is 36. What about negative 2 squared? 4. So you could just carry this. Now, which one of your parentheses will you do first? Exponent. What is negative 1 to the 5th? Negative 1. Yes, so the exponent. So this one. Now, copy the other one. 36 divided by 4 plus 4. And then, what is this? What is 5 minus 3 times negative 1? So which one do we do first? The multiplication? So if you know this is 8, that's good. But if not, then what do we do here? This is 5. 5 what? Plus 3. Yes. Alright. So this is 36 divided by 4 plus 4 times, what is 5 plus 3? 8. Now here I'm not going to use brackets anymore. I'm just going to use parentheses. Yeah. Alright. Now what do we do next? Which one? This is division. This is a plus. Plus is always last. So I could divide here. 9. 4 times 8. 32. So your answer will be 41. Yes? Did you guys do it right? No? If not, where do you make mistakes? Here to here or here to here? Here to here? Negative 1 to the 5th? But what did you put for negative 1 to the 5th? Oh, okay. No, it's 5 times, right? So negative 1 to the 5th is negative 1 5 times. This is negative 1 to the 5th. So notice that the negatives cancel, you still have one negative. I'm sorry? Yeah. Okay. So you could see, oh, there are 5 of them, so these two cancel, and you're still left with one negative. Yeah. Yes. So if you have odd, these are odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 products of 5 negative numbers, it's going to be negative because it's odd. If it's even, if this is raised to the 4th, then it is positive. Yeah, good. So Caesar, what was your question? Oh, you're not Caesar, are you? What's your name? Julio, and Caesar is, you're Caesar. I'm sorry, Caesar. Okay, Julio. No questions? Okay, good. Continue. Yes, good question. Oh, this is long too. Which one do we do first? The parentheses. So negative 48 divided by negative 2 cubed. Minus 2, okay, what else is in parentheses here? 1 minus 5 times, parentheses, what's this? 2 minus 6. Negative 4. Plus 3 squared. We could do the 3 squared later if we want. Okay. Now, whenever we have minus or plus, the subtraction, we will just do it later. So this one do later, this one do later, this one do later, right? But the other ones we could do. Now, which one? What is negative 2 cubed? What is negative 2 cubed? Negative 8, yes. So minus 2. Now, which one do we do inside here? The exponent, which is 3 squared, which is 9. What about these? 1 minus, or 1 plus or minus here? Negative 5 times negative 4. 1 plus 20. Okay. Good. Yeah. So let's do the parentheses first. Or you could do the division actually. But what is this? 1 plus 20 plus 9. 30? Yes. And I could change my bracket into just parentheses. Can you use bracket? Yes, but it's usually a little confusing, so you could change it to parentheses. Now, which one do we do next? So we have division, we have subtraction, we have multiplication. Which one do we do first? The division, and the subtraction is last. So let's divide these. What is this? 6. And let's multiply these. What is this? 60. Yes. So 6 minus 60? Negative 54. Yeah. All right. Now, last one. Yeah. Question. Did you guys get it right? If not, I want to know where the mistake. No? Everybody did it right? Yes? Okay, good. Next, number 11. So this is a little bit easier because you separate the top from the bottom. Okay? So we have negative 3 cubed and we have minus. So the minus we will copy because we know we will do it last. So this is 2 times, what is negative 3 squared? Positive 9 or negative 9? Positive 9. Okay. Now what is negative 3 cubed? Negative 27. Alright, so that's the top. So you could do the top first. What is this? Negative 27, what? Minus 18, yes. What is negative 27 minus 18? Negative 45. Yeah. All right. Now, let's do the bottom. Which one do we do first now? The exponent? 2 squared is 4. Minus, let's do the parentheses now. 6 minus absolute value of what? Negative 13. Okay, so absolute value of negative 13. So this is 8 divided by 4 minus 6 minus, what is the absolute value of negative 13? So I'm copying the minus here. 13. All right. Okay. Now let's do the parentheses. Oh, we could do this one also. Right? What is 8 divided by 4? 2. And then what is 6 minus 13? Negative 7. Yeah? Alright, so now I have to continue here. So continue here. So we have negative 45, 2 minus negative 7. What is 2 minus negative 7? Positive 9. So negative 45 divided by 9. Yes. Good. So is it easy? Doable? Okay. So make sure to review your sample test. Okay. Now I'm not done. I still need to simplify using distributive properties. So this is the order of operation. Yeah, I have 5 minutes, don't I? Yeah. So this is very short. Simplify using distributive properties. All right. So it looks like this. Number 1. 3x minus 6x plus 7. Number 2. 2a plus 7a minus 2, 3a minus 5. Let's do this one. And then number 3, 3x squared plus 7 minus 2x squared plus 5. Alright, so what do I do here with the minus? You distribute. So, what do we have? 3x minus 6x minus or plus? Minus 7. So be careful, you have to distribute. Yeah, the minus sign. So now combine like terms. 3x minus 6x, negative 3x minus 7. Finish. Okay, so number 2. So this is 2a plus 7a. Now distribute. What do I have? Negative 6a plus 10. How do I get plus 10? You multiply. Negative 2 times negative 5. That is plus 10. Right? Okay. Now, let's combine all the a's. What a's do I have here? 9a minus 6a, which is 3a plus 10. Good. Yeah? Okay, last one. What's the last one? 3x squared plus 7. What about this? Minus 2x squared minus 5. So combine like terms. 3x squared minus 2x squared, that is x squared plus 2. Alright. So, are there any questions? Doable? Okay. Now, evaluate. Yeah. So, evaluate. We have 3 minutes. Number 1. 9 minus 3x for x is equal to 5. Number 2. 3 plus x cubed for x equals to negative 2. Okay, after this I'm done. Okay. After this, I am done. So what would we do here? Yes. So 9 minus 3 times 5, which is 9 minus 15, which is, yes. Okay. Number 2. 3 plus negative 2 cubed. What is negative 2 cubed? Negative 8. So 3 plus negative 8? Yes. Alright? Good. So we still have 1 minute. No. Just kidding. So have a good weekend. We will start 2.1 on Monday. And Tuesday you have a test, right? Okay. For chapter 1. So you need to bring your portfolio for chapter 1 on Tuesday. Yeah. If you don't want the report cover, what do you need to do for your portfolio? Staple. Yeah, all of them together. It has to be all of them together. You use one staple or one report cover. Yeah, if you want. Yeah. Okay?
So it could be either or would it be like
Either or.
Okay.
So if you don't have report cover, you need to make sure you staple it.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah. So buy a stapler. Maybe better. Yes.
Do you have an example portfolio?
Oh, I could Google it online. Just Google report cover. Transparent report cover. Okay? Google transparent report cover.
Are you talking about the notes?
Yes.
Right?
Step.
Yes.
Step.
Okay. The
Yeah.
steps,
Yeah.
Okay.
That's for the, yeah.
All right. And a plastic cover, right?
Yes, if
Okay.
you want. So it's called report cover. Maybe just staple it easy.
Just okay. Staple.
Yeah,
Okay.
staple. One staple though, not 1.1 by itself, 1.2. No, everything one staple.
Okay. Hey, Miss.
Yeah.
I have a question about
Yes.
the substance. Do we have to bring it on Monday or?
You don't have to bring it on Monday. You don't have to do it. However, it's a sample test. It looks like my test. It's better that you do it. Now, if you have a phone, I think the one that you print out is better, just because you see it. It's because the test is print out. Yeah, but the online one is the practice version. Yeah. If you can do the online, I'm pretty sure you will do well also. It's just that, you know how you have to get used to the type of question, so it's better if you have a printout also. Or if you have your phone, you can download it on your phone. Okay? You don't have to print it. Yeah.
What's the website?
It's on my syllabus. It's myonlinemap.com/M115. So you have a syllabus? Yes, /M115. Yes, but you have it on your syllabus on top.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Simply because depending on your asking this the distributed property around.
You have to do the inside first.
The dependence only applies when you ask for solving the expression.
No, it applies all the time.
So what about like distributed property here?
You can't really simplify this one anymore.
Yeah. So
Yeah. Yeah, you cannot combine these, so that's why you apply the distributed property. Yeah. Here you can simplify. If you can simplify, you have to do the inside first, and then you distribute what's the outside. But here we cannot simplify. There's nothing you could do with mix 6,
you
7, 7.
distribute anyway.
Yeah, you're distributing anyway. It's just that you're doing this first because you can. Now, if I can, this is 3a minus 5a. I will have to do it too. So if just say this is 5a, 3a minus 5a, then it will be minus 2a. Then you will simplify these two. So negative 2 times negative 2a. But it's just that we cannot. That's why we distribute it that way. Make sense? Okay. Yes.
Referring to the homework, section 1.4,
Mm-hmm.
it says it's going to take me 10%.
Yes, because you turned it in late. Everything 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Yes. So you could still do it, but you just won't get 100% on that homework. It's just going to be 90%. Whatever is turned in late, it's 90%. It's 10% penalty. Not the whole section. So for example, you do half of the section before the due date, then half of the section will not have penalty, but the other half, since you do it after the due date, then whatever is turned in after the due date is 10% off. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'm glad you tried. So you're doing 1.4? 1.1 to 1.3 is finished?
Yes. I did 1.6.
Oh, okay.
1.5.
Okay, good, good. I'm glad. Okay. How was it? Easy? Easy? Yeah. Yeah, you just have to do it, right? You just have to take time to do it. Yeah.
There were some questions that I think I'm gonna.
You're gonna ask me? Yeah, you can. Or you could just say, oh, I have question 1.6 number 7 or 1.6 number 8. Then we could go over it. Yeah. I have office hours. You have my syllabus, right? So you have the list of my office hours. So you can just come. Okay. Alright. Or now it's okay too, because I have office hours now too, if you have time. Yeah, up to you. Okay? Bye. See you, Sergio. Good job. Mm-hmm.